हेलो बच्चों, चलो आज हम आप देखेंगे जो मैनर्स यूनिट नंबर 5 मेरीपुर क्लास 2 वर्कबुक में से है। चलो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन 1, राइट द करेक्ट ऑप्शन ABCD इन द बॉक्स। फर्स्ट है डू नॉट मेक फन ऑफ द कैमल्स को बी हम द डैश इज प्राउड his noble hum। डी है camel। do not laugh at the chimpanzee। okay, A, the chimpanzee thinks he as wise as you or me। वो wise। चलो 5 number, the dash can understand the remarks the you make the penguins। fill in the blank, camel has a hump, the camel is proud is hump, the chimpanzee is a wise animal, the penguin can understand what you say। okay, now first bump, dump, plump, noise, price, size, crow, crowd, crash, clay, clown, root, nice, noise, choice, pump, bump, dump, crown, crow, crowd, class, clay, clay and clown। okay, complete the words AEIOU, FAN fan, FUN fun, BALL ball, BELL bell, BAG bag, BIG big, THINK think, THANK think, mall, WALL WELL, LIST list, LAST last, TEN ten, TIEN ten, LAME लैम और LIME लाइम, SCT सेट, SIT सीट, TRAP ट्रैप, TRIP ट्रिप। ओके, तो इस तरह से आपको बच्चे राइट करना है। द राइट द सेंटेंस यूजिंग दिस और दैट, दिस इज अ बेंच, दैट इज अ मैंगो, this is a ball, that is a tree, this is a box, that is a bus, this is a rat, that is a hen, this is a kite, that is a fox। okay, children, now look, listen and repeat। CAT cat, DOG dog, cow, fox, lion, GOAT goat, sheep, horse, donkey, monkey, elephant, camel, rabbit, deer, tiger, giraffe, bear, pig, hen, sparrow, peacock, duck, swan, crow, owl, pigeon and parrot। A cat is mew, a dog is bark, a cow is moose, an elephant is trumpet, a duck is quacks, a lion and tiger is roar, a pigeon, pig and camel grunt, a sheep's goat is bleat, a hen is cluck, crow is a cow, a horse is neigh, a monkey is chatter, a donkey is a bray, a sparrow is a chirp, and owl is a hoot। the name of the animal and bird, write the sound। an elephant, trumpet, a cow, moose, a duck, quack। चलिए एनिमल की आवाज़ है। ओके, तो a cat, moose, muse, A sparrow chirps, a dog barks, an owl hoots, a donkey bray, and a lion roars. Next, a horse neigh, a goat bleat, a monkey chitter, a camel grunt, and a hen cheek, a crow crows. चलो ना इसमें आपको कलर फिल करना है। ये चलो द सन इज शाइनिंग, देयर वाइट cloud in the sky, there is a big tree. An elephant is standing near the tree. It has a long trunk. There are colorful flowers around the tree. Okay, now next यहाँ पर हमने फनी बनी वाली स्टोरी देखी ना। फनी नॉट फेल ओच स्काई गोइंग फॉल टेल किंग वे met I will of find lucky where lives follow and चलो who was a funny bunny? A rabbit. Okay, Henny Penny was a hen, and who was a Coxy Roxy? So a cook. Lucky Ducky was a duck. Okay, C option. And what was the goose called? What was the goose called? Option is D. Foxy Foxy. Foxy Foxy was a fox. Option is B. What fell on the funny bunny? A nut. Funny bunny through the sky was to fade. Answer is B. Funny bunny wanted to tell. Option A. The king. Dash killed the animal. D. Foxy Foxy. Okay, now fill in the blank. One day, dash the fell of the funny bunny nut. Funny bunny through the sky was going to the fell. Funny bunny wanted to tell the king. The fox ate the all animals. Who said this whom? Oh, the sky is going to fall. Funny bunny said, I must tell the king. Funny bunny said this. The king lives here. Foxy Foxy said to the dog, all animals. Okay, follow me. These answers. Foxy Foxy said these all animals. Okay, chalo answer the questions. What fell on the funny bunny? A nut fell on funny bunny. What did the funny bunny think? Funny bunny think through the skies was the going to fall. Funny bunny want to tell the king. Who ate up all the animals? The Foxy Foxy ate up all the animals. The fox ate up all the animals. The rearrange the words to the from correct sentence. Fell one day a nut, funny bunny and on. One day a nut fell on funny bunny. Second, the king must tell I. तो I must tell the king. Okay. Where is the sky going? The sky is going to fall. Here lives the king. The king lives here. Okay. Now next, fill in the blank with the correct word. One day a net fell on the funny bunny. He thought that the sky was going to fall. She went to tell the king. One way he made Henny Penny, Cookie Loxy, and Posy Goose. All them walked alone with the funny bunny. Met the king. In the end, they saw a fox. He was clever. He took all the animals into the forest and ate them. So now read, look, listen and repeat. Out, couch, pouch, follow, hollow, solo, down, frown, town, buy, cry, fly. Children now write the rhyming words. Crown, down, round, pillow, swallow, hollow, slouch, pouch, clouch, dry, cry, fly. The write the rhyming words, the changing the first letter of the word. Example, fell, sell, tell, town, down, out, set, met, paid. मतलब कि देखिए ये फर्स्ट लेटर की राइमिंग वर्ड हमें लिखना है बाय, तो वाई से, रिंग, किंग, सिंग, सून, मून, नून, ट्रे, एक्सरे, प्रे, हॉल, मॉल, कॉल, बट, नट, कॉट. सर्कल द ओड वन आउट. ओड नंबर ओड है वर्ड, उस पर हमें सर्कल करना है. रेड, बेड, लेट, फेड, बेड, बेड पे. रन, फन, गन, सन, टन, तो टन पे. ओके. फैट, बैट, सेट पे. ओके. PIG, BIG, DIG, पेग पे. ओके. धे, वे पे, में, ले, तो दे पे. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट, चलो फाइंड द अपोजिट द गिव वर्ड्स, मेक सेंटेंस. गो, कम, आई गो होम, कम विथ मी. हियर, तो देयर. जय's bag is here, Vijay's bag is there. Start, end. I start the game, you end the game. Okay. Long, short. My pencil is long, your pencil is short. Bad, good. So Gita's is not bad girl. Sita is a good girl. Big and small. I have a big kite, you have a small kite. Okay. अभी नाउ लेट्स राइट. इस तरह से आपको कर्सिव राइटिंग राइट करना है. ओके. यहाँ पर देखो ये कर्सिव राइटिंग राइट करना है, प्रैक्टिस करना है. चलिए यहाँ पर एक स्टोरी गिवन है. फन टाइम. फिल द blank with the complete the story. The sun had set, the moon was shining in the sky, little star twinkled brightly, the dog was sitting near the dog, the house, the cat, city cat, was sleeping under the bed. Okay. Suddenly the hen saw a fox. The run, she cried. The dog jumped into the fox box. The cat ran the tree. The hen hid in the basket. The fox looked around. He saw a pot of water. The fox drank some water and left. The hen, the dog, and the cat were happy. Children, now next, look, listen and repeat. B-A-D bed, L-E-G leg, P-E-G peg, D-E-N den, H-E-N hen, P-E-N pen, T-E-N ten, J-E-T jet, net, wave and cake. Write the rhyming words. तो आपको ये rhyming word फिर से लिखना है. L-E-D लेट, तो B-E-D बेड. ओके, इस तरह से लिखना है. ओके, B-E-D बेड, T-E-D टेड, D-E-D dead, D-E-N den, D-E-N den, D-E-N den, C-E-N से फिर K-E-N कैन. कि ये राइमिंग वर्ड खुद से लिखना है. ओके, चलो नाउ लुक एट द पिक्चर्स एंड टेल द स्टोरी द आंट एंड द डव इन योर वर्ड. अभी यहाँ पर हमें देखो डव है और एक आंट है. ओके, तो इसकी स्टोरी आपको लिखनी है. यहाँ पर देखो मैंने नंबर दे दिए हैं. फर्स्ट नंबर पे है वन डे एन आंट फेल इनटू द रिवर. आपको फर्स्ट नंबर पे ये लिखना है. ये वन डे द आंट फेल इनटू रिवर. सेकेंड नंबर पे लिखना है अ डव सो द आंट ग्रोइंग. ओके, सेकेंड नंबर पे लिखना है द आंट डव सो द आंट ग्रोइंग. थर्ड नंबर पे लिखना है आपको ही थ्रो द डाउन अ लीफ. फिर 4 नंबर पे लिखना है द आंट क्लाइम ऑन द लीफ. 5 नंबर पे लिखना है आपको द डव फ्लू अवे सेफली. 6 नंबर पे द आंट सो अ हंटर एमिंग अ एरो एट द डव. 7 नंबर पे लिखना है ही बी बाइट द हंटर लेग. और 8 नंबर पे द हंटर मीन्स द. चलो इस नंबर पे आपको यहाँ पर लिखना है एंड स्टोरी कंप्लीट करनी है. ओके, नाउ चलो बच्चों, यहाँ पर हमारा ये 5 नंबर का यूनिट कंप्लीट होता है. तो आपको करना है. बाय बाय, टेक केयर, सी यू अगेन.